Hello guys, this is Johnny SK, SAP FICO S4 HANA Finance and Channel. Today I'm going to discuss about SAP Controlling Module Product Costing Class 12, and the topic is what is multiple currencies in Material Ledger. So this is the topic I'm going to cover in the couple of minutes. If you are completely new to this channel and watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. So now let's understand this concept. Okay guys, so far we have discussed about what is product costing objects, preparing for costing, and product costing integration, and also explained about material cost estimate with quantity structure, product cost planning, costing variant, BOM, and role of BOM in SAP PP module, usage of BOM in MRP, and what is the difference between moving average price and standard price, and routing concept, and 5 important steps to understand the product costing. See guys, so without knowing these 5 steps, we cannot complete the product costing. So these are the 5 steps which are very vital in the product costing to understand the concept. And this product costing is integrated with other modules also. So that is the reason it seems to be little complex. And based on the business scenarios of the respective manufacturing companies and industries, industry-wise, the business scenario should be different. So that is the reason this concept some difficulty that we can find while doing different things in the product costing. Last time we clearly explained about cost center planning and activity rate calculation, and also explained about quantity structure, costing run, and also explained material ledger, right? And so you can also look at these videos, earlier videos in the comment box. So I'm updating over there. You can also look at that videos. So now let's understand this concept in very detailed manner. See guys, we have AP, AR, and asset accounting. So these are the subledgers in SAP. So these are the subledgers in SAP. So like that, so material ledger is one of the subledger. Material ledger is one of the subledgers in SAP. So whatever the transactions you posted, whatever the transaction you posted with particular materials, that should be tracked through material ledger only. So it's a subledger, right? So you post a different kind of material transaction, so it would be tracked through material ledger only. So like that, earlier, so in ECC version, so inventory valuation, so done it only one currency. But in case of S4 HANA, so inventory valuation can be carried out to 3 currencies. Okay, and one more thing is, whatever the transaction you posted through material ledger, so that will be stored in the AC docket table. That means material ledger data will be available in AC docket table. And also we need to understand that in S4 HANA, how many currencies we have? In S4 HANA, we have 10 currencies. Have 10 currencies in S4 HANA. But how many currencies wise we need to give the inventory valuation? So 3 currencies. So material ledger currencies are 3. So this 3 is allocated to material ledger. Okay, and 2 are for asset accounting, and 2 are for profit center, CO, and remaining like company code currency, group currency, like that. So totally we have 10 currencies. Out of 10, 8 currencies are completely freely defined currencies. Okay, so these currency details we can see in AC docket table. Okay, how we can see, I will tell you. So first to understand that, first of all should understand that how many currencies in ML material ledger, 3 currencies. Okay, based on the 3 currencies we can validate the material, like inventory valuation be done, inventory valuation can be done at 3 currencies. Okay, So now you can also look at this one example. Let's take an example. This is the company code ABC. Company code currency is 1 USD and the company code currency 2 is GBP and transaction document currency is INR. So these are three currencies we have. One is company code currency and the second one is a group currency. This is maintained at the client level. Okay, and transaction currency, that means whatever the transaction you are posting through this, like any transactions, right? Transaction currency is just like document currency. So this could be INR. So we will take one example over here. If you post any transaction, with this currency, if you post any FI document with 200 INR, so it will be stored in the document currency, company code currency, and group currency also. Okay, that is the reason. So you know very well. So in S4 HANA, so ledgers are linked with accounting principles. Okay, every accounting principle has a ledger. Okay, and ledger sometimes maybe different currency, different country, there may be different currencies also there. So if transaction is posted 200, so this FI document will be stored in the document currency and company code currency, group currency also. Okay, how it will be stored, I will tell you right now. So let me open S4 HANA system. Okay, see guys. So company code currency is just like, it's maintained at the company code level. So you can take any company code. So here the currency should be maintained, right? So this is default. So I like that the group currency is maintained at the client level. So SEC4. So this is the client right now we are using. This is maintained at the USD. Okay. So group currency always maintained at the client level. Okay. So once you double click on this, so you maintain the group currency, this one. So the 800, our client is 800. So you can see this is at group level. Transactional, like whatever the transaction you are posting, so that case you maintain the transaction currency also, right? So in SAP material ledger, so the inventory valuation can be done in three currencies. Okay, so three currencies. So where we can see these three currency details, like in SE16N, just go to SE16N. So AC docket table. In AC docket table, so we will see the currency details. Okay, we will see the currency details of the particular transactions. See guys, this is a global currency maintained at a client level. This is company code currency. Okay, and also apart from these two, freely currencies also there. Okay, so 8 freely defined currencies, and this is even objectory currencies. So total S4 HANA we have 10 currencies. Okay, and material ledger. So in material ledger, inventory valuation can be done into three currencies. Okay, so that means entire AC docket table, all the material ledger data will be stored in AC docket table only. Okay, so earlier we have different tables for material ledger in ECC, but right now, so some of the tables have been replaced. So that things I will explain in the next concept, next video. Okay, so first understand that. So total currency things we can see in the AC docket table. Okay, let's say for example, so I'm taking this document number for your understanding, and here global code and global currency and company code currency both are maintained. So that is the reason I'm just taking this example, and will give you one idea regarding this. Just go to FB03 and put over here, and take this company code. Okay, so this is just like document entry. So whatever the transaction you posted, that is entry view. So like you posted on transaction through FB60, FB70, FB50, those are all called entry views. Okay, see here, for the first line item, segment and profit center has been given. Okay, and for the second line item, segment and profit center has not been given. Okay, so we have two types of views. One is entry view and the second one is ledger view. See, this is the ledger view. So once you double click on this, so your segment and for the first line item, second line item is same, and the profit center first line item and second line item should be same. This means for this transaction means it's a SA document, right? SA document, general ledger document fitting is applied. Okay, so because of the document splitting, so your document earlier it was entry view. So whatever the transaction you posted this way, and you will see in the general ledger view this way. That means every line item is balanced with the segment and profit center. That is called as a document splitting. Okay. Now the concept is for each transaction, how many types of currencies we have. That also we can see. This is document currency. So your document is posted in INR. Okay, INR. This is document currency. And local currency is the company code currency. Group currency is the country. Group currency is maintained at the client level, right? Once you click on this group currency, so it will see in the USD. So once you click on the document currency is just like transaction currency. It is only INR. And if you click on the local currency, okay, so it is also showing as a INR, right? So if you click on the group currency, it will be shown as a USD. Okay, so this is the way, so we can see the information. So here document splitting concept is applied. That is the reason every line item is split with segment under profit center. And here also you can see ledgers. For each ledger has a, so each ledger has a, you see this is OL is the leading ledger. Rest of the ledgers are non-leading and extension ledger. So whatever the transaction you posted through leading ledger, that is also stored in the non-leading ledgers also. Okay, and extension ledger. That is called as a parallel accounting. So here what I'm saying, so in S4 HANA concept, we can see the inventory valuation will be done at three currencies. Okay, inventory valuation can be done at three currencies. Okay, so here for currency setup and ledger setup, so here you just go to this transaction code FINC and score ledger. So these things we already explained to our trainees. See, just go to FINC underscore FINSC underscore ledger, right? FINSC underscore ledger. Okay, see these ledgers like leading, non-leading, extension, okay, currency setup. So everything will be done in this screen only. So this is the T code FINC underscore ledger. Okay, so here we can see. Okay, so currencies. Also we can see currencies. We can also maintain. All the ledgers are linked with the company codes. Okay, and here it is global currency, local currency, and freely defined currencies. 8 are there. Okay, so all the ledgers and the currency setups will be done in the ledger concept. Okay, so this is the material ledger concept. Like through material ledger concept, we can validate the inventory in three currencies. So one is document currency, company code currency, and also transactional based currency. So these are the three currencies are very important, and that is the reason I've shown you an example. And one more thing is this material ledger concept enable to find out the actual cost of the particular material. So when actual costing should be comes into picture. So if country stable inflation rate, so we have two types of prices. One is moving average price and second one is a standard price. So that case, if stable inflation rate, that means your cost is not your inflation rate, your country inflation rate is same, and material cost should not be vary all times. So your inflation rates are stable. That case, so you need to validate the material at a standard price. Okay, and moving average, your raw material should be validated moving average price, and your finished product should be validated standard price. If inflation rate is stable, but if inflation rate is not stable, so then that case, so we need to validate the inventories on the actual cost. So you need to validate the inventories on the actual cost in countries where currency is not stable. then inflation rates are very high. So that case we need to validate at actual cost only. Okay. So SAP supports inventory valuation in multiple currencies at actual cost using functionality of material ledger and actual costing. So this is very important topic for the interview perspective. See guys, this is the topic. Thank you very much. We will continue next the next important topic in material ledger. So thank you so much. See you soon.